Hey y'all, this is Mike here. So in this video, I'm gonna show you guys a watch, a vintage watch, a retro watch, or what you call it, that I actually own one during the time when I was like a teenager. That was like 80s. So basically, I saw a listing for it over here, having a pretty good deal out of it, so I grabbed one. And this is the Casio calculator watch that I got, right? So let's just open it up and show you guys what's inside. So what do you have here? So you have the watch itself, the Casio watch itself, a warranty card, a booklet, user guide, and I think that's more or less it, right? There's nothing else in the box. So yep, so let's just take a look at the watch. Yeah, so this is how it looks like. The WR already watch, auto resistant alarm chrono, and as you can see, these are all the calculator buttons and stuff. I think this is one of the watch which is quite famous during the time, my teenage time. We don't have a lot of smart watches that time, and this one is one of the more advanced kind of like watch that's going to be available during our time, right? So of course there are calculator function, but you need to actually press the calculator mode to do it, I guess. So we have calculator function here. We can press on something times something equals to something, right? If you don't want the calculator mode, you can just press it back to your normal watch mode, right? So you can see now there are like the Casio things here. You have the strap, the rubber strap, right? And also you have the rubber strap out of this thing, right? So you can see, just let you see, watch up closely how it looks like. So yeah, I mean, like this watch does bring back a lot of memories, young memories that I have. And for those that actually want to own one of this, you can get it pretty cheaply now via certain retailers. I'll leave the link down below where you guys can get it. If you're interested to get one, you can actually get one and using the link below to support my channel. So that's all I have for now. Just a quick video on what I get on this vintage Casio calculator watch. So that's all I have for today, and there will be more videos coming. If you guys like the video that I'm doing, do subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye.